When most people hear the word NASA, they think of rockets, astronauts, and distant planets. But NASA does far more than explore space. Every single day, NASA helps us understand Earth, prepares humanity's return to the moon, and searches for answers hidden across the universe. Today, we're taking a journey through NASA's biggest missions on Earth, the moon, and beyond. Let's begin. Many people don't realize that one of NASA's most important jobs is studying our own planet. NASA operates dozens of satellites orbiting Earth. These satellites constantly monitor weather patterns, ocean temperatures, melting ice sheets, wildfires, droughts, and hurricanes. One of NASA's longest-running projects is Landsat. For more than 50 years, Landsat satellites have photographed Earth, creating one of the most detailed records of our planet ever assembled. NASA's Earth-observing satellites help scientists understand climate change and predict natural disasters before they happen. When a hurricane forms in the Atlantic Ocean, NASA satellites are often among the first tools used to track its development. The data collected from space helps governments, scientists, and emergency teams protect millions of people around the world. In a way, NASA isn't just exploring space, it's helping us understand the only home we've ever known. For more than 50 years, no human has walked on the moon. That is about to change. NASA's Artemis program is designed to return humans to the lunar surface and establish a long-term presence there. The first step was Artemis 1. An uncrewed spacecraft traveled around the moon and successfully returned to Earth. Next comes Artemis 2, which will carry astronauts around the moon. Then comes Artemis 3. If everything goes according to plan, astronauts will once again step onto the lunar surface. But this time, NASA isn't just visiting. The goal is to stay. Scientists believe the moon's south pole contains frozen water hidden inside permanently shadowed craters. That water could someday provide drinking water, breathable oxygen, and even rocket fuel. The moon may become humanity's first stepping stone into deep space, and eventually, a launch point for missions to Mars. For decades, Mars has captured human imagination. NASA has sent multiple robotic explorers to the Red Planet. One of the most famous is Curiosity. Since landing in 2012, Curiosity has traveled across the Martian surface, studying rocks and searching for evidence of ancient water. In 2021, NASA landed Perseverance. This advanced rover is collecting samples that may one day be returned to Earth. NASA also made history with Ingenuity, a small helicopter that became the first aircraft to achieve powered flight on another planet. These missions are helping scientists answer one of humanity's biggest questions. Did life ever exist on Mars? NASA hopes that one day, humans will follow these robotic explorers. But getting people safely to Mars remains one of the greatest engineering challenges ever attempted. A round-trip mission could take years. Yet NASA continues preparing for the day when humans finally step onto another planet. NASA's ambitions don't stop at Mars. The agency is also exploring the deepest regions of space. In 1977, NASA launched Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Today, both spacecraft have traveled farther than any human-made objects in history. Voyager 1 is now moving through interstellar space, carrying a golden record filled with sounds and images from Earth. It's a message to the universe, a time capsule from humanity. Meanwhile, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope is transforming our understanding of the cosmos. Webb can see farther into space than any telescope before it. It has revealed ancient galaxies that formed shortly after the Big Bang. It studies distant planets, searching for signs that they may be capable of supporting life. Every image returned by Webb gives us a glimpse into the history of the universe itself, and every discovery raises even more questions. NASA isn't just building rockets, it's protecting Earth, preparing humanity's return to the moon, planning future missions to Mars, and exploring the deepest mysteries of the universe. The story of NASA is really the story of human curiosity, a reminder that no matter how much we learn, there will always be something new waiting beyond the horizon. Thanks for watching. Follow ZYNORA for more science, space mysteries, and fascinating discoveries. Until the next mystery, bye. Fir Milenge, Ma'asalama. Ciao. Annyeong. Tschüss.